Hi everyone, this is Chelly from Be Beauty Pure. Today I will be walking you through our bits. So let's go over our bits. First, we have our diamond bits. Those are safe to use on the natural nail surface as well as any type of enhancement. We also have carbide bits. Carbide bits are specifically designed to go on top of any enhancement, not the natural nail. Let's show you. We have 5-in-1 in fine, medium, coarse, and extra coarse. We also have our sanding band with the mandrel. That is safe to use on the natural nail. We have tapered barrels in fine, medium, and coarse. We also have smooth tops in fine, medium, and coarse. And we also have small barrels in fine, medium, and coarse. And that's our selection of bits.